The Habka House project aims to reveal itself through simplicity. However, to achieve this, it relies on a complex articulation of three indicators that configure, roughly, the site and its context. The access to the lot at its median quota established the 0 point, the starting point for the appropriation of the land. It was from this point that the design strategies were naturally triggered. The main entrance is precisely made through the intentionally designed voids circumscribed by the base. The base, made of exposed concrete, expresses robustness and solidity, linking it to the site and making it indissociable from it. The base of the house is made up of two main blocks. The first emerges from the topography. It appears at the highest point of the terrain and gradually reveals itself to the main axis. The second, located exactly 15 meters from the first, opens up to the greenery, to the preservation area, and welcomes social and leisure dynamics. Finally, a suspended metal piece delicately rests on the concrete base and projects towards the environmental reserve. It houses the entire intimate area of the house, ensuring the necessary privacy for the family. This architectural piece reveals itself as a bridge connecting opposite extremes. The gaze, when it falls on it, is led to travel it from the street towards the forest. It serves, therefore, as a connection link between man and nature.